Back in the day, we actually introduced our education with animation. And Sam was always on the go.
When I started the Sam Villa brand, I will never forget that first day at the Orlando premiere in 2008, when I stood up on our small little round stage for the first time and saw a sea of people. I knew we had something.
Sam Villa was changing the industry, so much so that in 2017, he was honored with the NAHA Lifetime Achievement Award, an award not given every year, but only when it's earned. And Sam didn't stop there. In 2020, he won the International Hairdressing Awards Influencer of the Year presented in Madrid, which signifies, well, I'll let them tell you.
Sam Villa is one of the most respected and beloved professionals and educators in the world.
Hi, my friends, Sam Villa here. Hi, my friends, Sam Villa here. Hi, my friends, great question.
Sam ignited the hashtag Artists Supporting Artists movement, a concept through which to communicate and support each other in a more respectful way in social media in order to promote the growth and evolution of the industry and hair professionals.
Where do we get our inspiration?
For Sam Villa, it is about promoting unity in the industry. Regardless of ego or brand affiliation, Villa believes the people of this industry can unify to elevate its standards and improve the state of professional beauty. To do this, he suggests communicating on social media with the same level of respect that we would do in person, keeping the intentions of the comments positive, building trust, creativity and growth. These are values shared with the International Hairdressing Awards, and this is why the organising committee has decided to give Sam Villa the first ever International Hair Influencer of the Year award.
Sam Villa is education. Join our journey, my friends, and we will change your life behind the chair.
And 2020 also changed our lives forever. Sam Villa's industry leadership and his innovative, much-needed live education earned him the first ever NAHA Educator of the Year. BehindTheChair.com considered Sam the messenger. Well, if so, he's still delivering today.